Bramble Berry sent me their Coquette collection, which is kind of a Valentine's love themed collection, and there are 4 new scents, kind of all based on Paris and France. So we have Blushing Bouquet, Chocolate Croissant, Parisian Pink, and the Classic Coco, which is what I'm going to be making today. And so this one smells like the perfume. And the perfume is not my favorite, mostly because I'm allergic to most perfumes. There's something in their base, I think it's the musk, there's usually geranium in it, and I can't handle geranium. So, but this one smells just like it, and I wanted to do an ombre, teal, yellow to teal, and I thought, it's perfume. Why don't I just make a perfume Embed? So I have 2 different perfume bottles that I was testing out. It's perfume, and so I am doing that design. I think the teal yellow will be classy, and hopefully it works. Supposedly this fragrance doesn't accelerate, so I'm hoping that's true. I'm gonna go get my colors prepped, and then we'll come back and make some soap. So here is yesterday's soap. The only thing that I'm slightly bummed about is it looks like my perfume bottle was a little too high up and a little too close to the wall for me. And after I put it in, I thought that, but I also didn't want to mess with moving it and messing up the ombre. So let's just cut it and see what we get. Maybe it won't be bad.
I really hope the ombre is pretty. It looked pretty when I was pouring it, but that doesn't mean it actually gives me what I want when I cut it. So this actually isn't quite bad. Again, the problem with putting an embed is obviously it pushed down the dark into that. I do wish this was a little further down, but the ombre is pretty. I really love these colors. I also made a stamp that's a heart because I thought I would stamp this, but I think I'm gonna leave it. I almost did the reverse, dark to yellow, and was gonna put this on the bottom, but I was afraid it would shift and move. So I don't know. Pros and cons to both. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see like the pores, like I can count the pores, the back and forths in here. It's like you can see that transition, that subtle transition, which is cool. That is something that you usually will get when you go from a light color to a dark color. But that's okay. I still think it's pretty. I think it's elegant, which is kind of what I was going for. I wanted to capture kind of the elegance of the perfume. So yeah, I'll take it. It's not bad.